This 8-kilometre, two-way section of the A11 near Thetford was suffering from reflective cracking in the surface course due to heavy trafficking and was identified as being in urgent need of repair. Tarmac was tasked with finding a long-term solution to break this cycle and deliver a sustainable and lasting surfacing solution. Materials were carefully selected to improve the whole life cost of the road, improving its performance, and also set a target to reduce CO2 emissions and improve delivery. 7,000 tonnes of Ultilayer SAMI was installed, preventing further reflective cracking. The digital design was uploaded into our systems easily, facilitating the capture of intelligent roller data that were deployed to monitor performance of the paving train and compaction on all layers. This was coupled with our intelligent analytics and GIS data capture tools, allowing us to analyse in real time and adjust operations to further improve compaction techniques. Delivered under contraflow and a series of nighttime closures, Tarmac's milling company, National Road Planing, coupled with our digital optimised planning tools, were able to recover 100% of the existing road and recycle back into new products. Our live planning tool, alongside our intelligent compaction, allowed a reduction in fuel cost and improvement in quality of the final product, whilst reporting compliance data in a fully digital GIS format. In all, using this innovative pavement design generated a total project saving of 1,154 tonnes of CO2 emissions, a 20% reduction compared to the original plan, the equivalent of taking 250 cars off our road. It also delivered a surfacing solution that, based on the evidence, can be expected to deliver a far longer service life for improved return on investment and less disruption to road users. PAVE Tech Solutions. Available now.